Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 13.3. Here you will see the conversion. That means one thing we will convert in another thing. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter. So that is a first question, that R is equal to, we can write a capital R also, 4.2 centimeter. And then melted and recast into the shape of the cylinder, that radius is equal to, that will be 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. So find the height of the cylinder. It means that sphere we have converted in cylinder, so that volume of cylinder pi r square h is equal to volume of sphere, because we are melting that one, so both volume will be same. So that is a 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Pi cancel by pi. So that r is 6 into 6 into h is equal to that 4 upon 3 into 4 decimal 2 into 4 decimal 2 into 4 decimal 2. That will be, so h is equal to 4 into 4 decimal 2 into 4 decimal 2 into 4 decimal 2 upon 3 into 6 into 6, that 6 7 ja 3 14 ja, and then the multiply of all these things, that will be 2 point, that will be all the multiply of these things, that will be 2.74 centimeter. This is the answer. And then second question, metallic sphere of radius, 3 radius are there. So that one, R1 is equal to, that is 6, R2 is equal to 8, R3 is equal to 10. All is given in centimeter. And then are melted to form a single solid sphere. So that will be R. That will be question mark. So volume of that one, 4 upon 3 pi r cube is equal to sum of the volume of all 3 small spheres. So that 4 upon 3 pi, that will be r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. So 4 upon 3 cancel by 4 upon 3. So r cube is equal to, that r1 is 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. That will be r cube is equal to 6 36 6 ja 216 plus 8 is 60 or 524. 512 that will be. And then 1000. And then r cube is equal to, that will be 428112571. So that r cube is equal to, that is a 12 cube. Cancel. So r is equal to 12 centimeter. This is the answer. It means the radius of the new sphere is 12 centimeter. Third question, that 20 meter deep well. Deep means that is a h 20 meter, and then that diameter is 7. Diameter is equal to 7 meter. So r is equal to, that will be 7 upon 2 meter. 7 upon 2 meter. That dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out of the platform 20 centimeter. Find the height. So L is equal to, that is 22 centimeter, 22 meter, and then breadth is equal to, that is 14 meter. So height is equal to, we need to find, that is 14. Yes. So that will be volume of platform. So that is L into B into H is equal to volume of cylinder pi r square H. So L and B is given 22 into 14 into h is equal to 22 upon 7. I think pi value is not given here. And then r is 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into that h is 20. So that 7 cancel by 7, 2 10 ja, 2 11 ja. So that h is equal to that 11 into 7 into 10 upon 22 into 14. So that 11 2 ja, 7 2 ja, 2 5 ja. So that h is equal to 5 upon 2 meter, or we can write 2.5 meter answer. 2.5 meter, that will be the height of the platform. Fourth question, that a well of diameter is 3 centimeter. That well diameter is 3 centimeter, sorry meter. So r will be obviously 3 upon 2 meter. And then that height is 14. Height is equal to 14 centimeter. Oh sorry, 14 meter. 14 meter. The earth taken out of it has been spreadly evenly around. It is the shape of a circular ring of width 4 centimeter from a embankment. Now that radius will be for that one 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 2, that will be 4 2 ja 8 3 11 upon 2 meter. 11 upon 2 meter. Find the height of the embankment. So that embankment means that will be also cylindrical. So that pi h, we will take that one h. So h is equal to, that is a question mark, h r square minus r square is equal to, that will be volume of that one pi r square h. So pi cancel by pi. So that h we need to find that, or that r is 11 upon 2 square minus that 3 upon 2 square. That like this. And then r is 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2 into 14. 2 7 ja 14. And then after you will be see that h into that 11 3 14 upon 2 into 11 minus 3, that 8 upon 2 is equal to, that will be 3 into 3 into 7. It means 9 into 7 upon, that will be 2. 2 cancel by 2. So 2 4 ja. So h is equal to that 9 into 7 upon 14 into 4. 7 2 ja 14. So h is equal to 9 upon 8 meter. Or we can write that 8 1 ja 8, then 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 8 5 ja 16 meter answer in decimal. And then question number next. Now the question number, that question was, this question was fourth. I have not written here fourth. And then question number 5. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder have 12 centimeter height, diameter 12 centimeter. That diameter is equal to 12 centimeter. So r will be 6 centimeter. And then height is equal to that 15 centimeter. Height is equal to 15 centimeter. Is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to fill into a cone of height, that will be 12 centimeter. Height is equal to 12 centimeter. And then diameter is equal to, that will be 6 centimeter. It means r is equal to 3 centimeter. Having a hemisphere shape on the top, find the number of such cone which can fill the box. So number of cone cones is equal to, that will be volume of cylinder container pi r square h upon volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus that volume of hemisphere 2 upon 3 pi r cube. This is the capital H. And then pi r square h upon, we will take the common also, pi, that 1 upon 3 pi r square is common, so that will be left h plus 2r. So that pi cancel by pi, and then by the value, that r value is that 6 into 6 into 6, 6 into 6 into 6, sorry 12, not 15 upon, that will be 1 upon 3, or that 1 upon 3 will be go like this also. So that r is that 3 into 3, 3 into 3, and h is that 12 plus 2 into 3, and then after that will be 3 2 ja 3 2 ja, so that will be 2 2 ja 4 into 15 into 3 upon that 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 12 18, 3 6 ja 18, and 2 2 ja 2 3 ja 3 5 ja, so that is a 5 2 ja 10 cones. That will be 10 cone fill by that one. Question number 6, that how many silver coin that diameter is 1.2 centimeter, one dash diameter is equal to 1.75 centimeter, so that r will be, r is equal to 1.75 upon 2 centimeter, and then height is equal to that will be 2 mm is equal to decimal 2 centimeter, and then one cuboid is also given there, so that is a length is equal to 5.5 centimeter, breadth is equal to 10 centimeter, height is equal to that is 3.5 centimeter. So number of coins is equal to volume of cuboid, that L into B into H upon volume of cylinder pi r square h. So that L is 5.5 into 10 into 3.5, and then pi value is not given, that 22 upon 7 into r is that 1.75 upon 2 into 1.75 upon 2 into that h is given decimal 2. Now 1 ja, and then leave that, after that reduction of decimal we will cancel into 3 5 multiply 7 multiply 2 upon 22 multiply 175 into 175. Now after decimal 1 2 digit are there, here 1 2 3 4 5 digit, so 3 zeros we will be placed here, and then 5 11 11 5 ja 11 2 ja, that 5 3 ja, and then 5 3 15 5 5 ja, then 35 cancel by 35, then 2 5 ja 5 35 ja 7 5 ja, and then 5 4 ja, that will be 5 4 ja, so that is a 400 coins will be made from that cuboid. Next, question number 7, that will be a cylindrical bucket that 32 centimeter height, so that h is equal to 32 centimeter and then radius is equal to 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter. This bucket is emptied on the ground and a conical heap of the sand formed, so that height is 24 centimeter. So height is equal to 24 centimeter. So we need to find the radius and slant height also. So radius is equal to, that will be question mark, and slant height also we will find that no. So volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h is equal to that volume of, that is a cylinder, pi r square h, pi r square h. Pi cancel by pi, so that 1/3 into r square into h value is 24 is equal to, r is 18 into 18 into 32, 3 8 ja, and then r square is equal to that 18 into 18 into 32 upon 8, 8 4 ja 32, so that r square is equal to 18 2 ja 36, because 4 is there, so that square. So r is equal to 36 centimeter. And then slant height also we need to find that slant height. So L is equal to that h square plus r square, so that h is 24 square plus r is 36 square, and then that will be 24 ja 512, 512 plus 36 ja, we will multiply here, 6 6 ja 36, 6 3 ja 18, 3 21, 3 6 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9 1 10, then 6 9 2 12 96, 12 96 is equal to that 8, and then 9 2 9 1 10, and then 5 2 7 1 8, then 1 18, 18 0 8 is that one. If you will be find the square root of that one, that will be 12 under root 13. 12 under root 13 you will be find that square root. How you will find that? 1808, and then by 2 you can do 3 9 ja 3 4 ja, then by 2 2 4 ja 2 5 ja 2 2 ja, by 2 again 2 2 ja 2 2 ja 2 6 ja, by 2 again 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 3 ja. After that you will be say that like this you will be find that answer. And then question number that is 8th. Water in a canal 6 meter wide, 1.5 meter deep is flowing the rate of, so that wide means breadth is equal to, that is 6 meter, and then deep means height is equal to 1.5 meter, and then flow is a length, so length is equal to, that will be 10 km is given there, so into 1000 meter, so that will be 10,000 meter. Now how much area will be irrigate of 30 minute if 8 centimeter standing the water, so that next height is, that is 8 centimeter is equal to 0.08 meter. So that volume of field that is a L into B into H is equal to volume of that canal, flow that water canal. So L into B into H, and then here we will apply 1 upon 2 also, because here is a hours 1 hour, we need to find that 30 minute. So that L into B means area into decimal 0.8 is equal to 1 upon 2 into length is 6 into 10,000 into that is 1.5. So 2 3s are, and then area is equal to 3000 into 1.5 upon decimal 0.8. Decimal cancel by decimal, then 1 0 will be increase, and then by 8 that cancellation, that will be 8 3 ja 24, 8 3 ja 24, and then 6 is left 60, 8 7 ja 56, 8 7 ja 56, 4 is left 0, 8 5 ja 40, that 0. By the multiply of that thing, that will be that multiply 5 6 2 5 0 0 meter cube, or you can convert in hectare also, that 5 6 decimal 2 5 hectare. Question number 9, that last question. A farmer connect a pipe of a internal diameter 20 centimeter. Internal diameter, that is a 20 centimeter. So that will be R is equal to 10 centimeter. And then cylinder tank, her field which is 10 meter diameter, and then another diameter is 10 meter. So that D is equal to, R is equal to, that will be 5 centimeter. And then that height is 2 meter. So that height is equal to, that is a meter, yes, meter. So that meter, so this one also we will convert in meter, so that will be decimal 1 meter. And then that height is equal to, that will be 3 km. 3 km means will multiply by 1000 upon 60, that 0 3 2s are, and then 0 cancel by 0 500, that will be 500 meter. 500 meter. This for minute. Now that we need to find the, what we need to find, that how much time will be take. So that time will be take. So time is equal to that volume of that one. Both are the cylindrical. So that volume is pi r square h upon pi r square h. Pi cancel by pi. So that r is decimal 1 into decimal 1 into 500, and then upon that will be 20 10 into 10 into 2, 10 into 10 into 2, that 2 decimal is cancel, or just I have written opposite of that one. Just a minute, I have written just opposite type of that one. Now that radius I think is written, diameter is dash 1, that 20 centimeter, that is radius is 5. So that here is written, I think I have written wrong, that radius is that 5, so that radius will be 5. Oh, okay. Now that volume of time is equal to pi r square h upon pi r square h, that cancel. R is 5 into 5 into that h is 2 upon that decimal 1 into 500, that cancels, so double 0 will become, so that 2 0 cancel by 2 0, 5 1 ja 5, that 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja, that will be 10, and then I think something is left here, that will be 50 left. Yes, 50 will be left, so that 1 0 will be left only. So 5 2 ja 10, 100 minute answer. Okay.